Today, we will make this viral balloon and also learn how to describe the process of doing something or how to describe any sequence. In the beginning, or you can say firstly, at first of all, to begin or to start, we need to take a nanotape. In the middle of process, you should say secondly or then later after that next in addition moreover also. So what can I say now? I can say after that you need to cut the tape into a small piece and you need to end the sides and you need to insert a pipe in the tape. Afterwards, you need to take the outer layer or the outer thin plastic of the tape. If something unexpected happens, in that case you can use suddenly, all of a sudden, but then surprisingly. So এখানে কিছু যেহেতু হয়নি এর জন্য আমরা কিছু বলছি না। সো আমরা এখানে মিডল পার্টটা হিসেবে বলছি in addition to that you need to blow it up and finally শেষে আমরা বলতে পারি finally at the end at last afterwards in conclusion in the end to summarize after all lastly by the end eventually. So তাহলে আমি এখন বলতে পারি finally our balloon is ready. That's it. Easy peasy. Happy learning.